771 million. I take that again, 771 million. Now, this is not just some random figure, but actually accounts for the number of people who have no access to clean potable water globally. But imagine with me the possibility of bringing this number down to 300 million within the next decade using a technology as simple as that we use when we boil water. It sounds insane, but allow me to introduce you to the future of clean water technology, solar-driven interfacial evaporation system. And for the next 3 minutes, my team, Vatten Technologies, will walk you through how we hope to deploy this solution in addressing the global water needs. Now, in most rural communities, access to water is quite challenging, and where they are available, they are typically contaminated. Various water remediation technologies have therefore been developed in the last few years, but they are expensive and environmentally unsustainable. All these are, however, changing as our company has developed a specialized water remediation station powered by solar energy and capable of eco-efficiently producing clean, drinkable water from contaminated sources. Each water station consists of a solar panel used to generate energy, which pumps water and simultaneously heats it up, collecting the water into a condensation unit that allows for clean water collection, which meets WHO standards. Our water stations are projected to produce 20,000 liters of water, enough to meet the water needs of 40 families daily.
As a social enterprise dedicated to addressing the global water crisis, our value proposition is simple yet impactful. We guarantee access to clean water for rural communities, power groundwater remediation using solar energy, and innovate infrastructure fulfilling SDGs 6, 7, 9, and 11. So what sets us apart is our game-changing solution, which is low-cost, easy to install all-in-one technology with one of the highest solar to vapor ratio in the market. We are delivering an efficient, cost-effective solution that combines clean energy and water purification. So we aim to disrupt the Indian market. So why India? With 38.5% of the rural Indians lacking access to clean water, our market opportunity is clear. Through strategic focus on rural communities, we are poised to capture a significant share of the 7 billion industry. Our product market fit is evident in the demand, community acceptance and affordability validated by partnerships with the NGO dedicated to rural empowerment. So how we make it happen? Our business model is straightforward. We charge an installation fee covering production and labor coupled with a maintenance fee. Through this business model, we are projected to launch 372 water stations by 2028.
We are Vatten Technologies, a dynamic team ready to transform water remediation with our unique blend of skill sets and expertise, supported by sponsors and advisors from university and non-profit organizations. Looking at our financial projection, we are on track to break even by the first quarter of 2026. And by 2028, we project a revenue of 7.5 million and a net profit of $1 million. We are dedicated to bringing clean water to the communities by partnerships and outreach programs, allowing us to access to local communities and expertise, as well as raising awareness about our solution. Our plan unfolds in 3 key phases of the lean business model, including development and pilot program, to full-scale deployment and expansion from 2026. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Together, let's create a world where every drop makes a difference. Vatten Technologies, empowering lives one drop at a time.